Hey, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So we have a good thing going here. The upload process is going very well, and now let's improve it. Of course, here the problem, as you can see, I can add a whole movie here and try to upload that, but what we want are images. So we need to validate the image first before we even attempt it to upload. But what I want you to notice is if I try to upload something while it's uploading, at least we have a failsafe for that. So let me click browse again and open the same file. And as it uploads, if I try to upload again like this, I get please wait for the other image to image 4. Wait, what? Please wait while the other image upload. Okay. All right, so as you can see, it limits that, but once it's done, I can upload and wait. Oh no, it doesn't seem to respond. Let's try again. Please wait while other image uploads. Interesting. What's happening? If I click, okay, so it starts again. That's nice. Okay, let me try do this, but then upload something entirely different. Let's see what happens. Does it still upload the file? You know, a good thing to do just to be safe is probably to just hide this until the whole thing is complete. So let's do that. Better not to take chances, huh? So what I'll do is let's come to the image. Wait, not that. This input right here. So it has classes here, and this one class is JS image upload input, which is perfect. So I'm going to copy this. So what I'll do is go to the courses view part, and right at the start of upload course image here, if we get to this point, then the upload has begun. So what I'll do is right here, I'll just say document.query selector, and let's grab the class with that. Class list add hide. Okay, cool, that's great. So we hide that. Then let's do exactly the same thing for the cancel button. So JS image upload, there was a cancel button somewhere here. Where is that? This is the one, JS cancel button. Copy, let's find that baby, paste here, boom, and then remove the hide from it. Okay, so that we display that button. And then when we are done with everything, so copy. Now the thing is, these things like course uploading should not only be put here when everything is 200, it should be put when the ready state is 4, because 4 means the whole process is complete. So whether we have an error or not, we should confirm that we are no longer uploading something. So I'll put this within this if statement, so right here. So I'll move this guy over there so that regardless, we still do this. And then at the same time, we display this content. Okay, so we do the opposite here. So this one we remove the hide, and this one we add a hide so that it's no longer there because it's not needed anymore. Okay, great. Let's try this and see what happens. So let's refresh, and I'm going to browse. Let's look for that long movie again, and let's try that. Okay, so now we have cancel upload. While it's uploading, we don't have that thingy there, and then when it's done, hopefully everything comes back to normal. Okay, looking great. Very good. Now sometimes it's you may want to know what you're uploading when you're uploading it, right? So what we can do is we have this console button. Let's add one more item that will give us some information. So if you want to add some information, extra information, no problem. So right here where we have the console button, at the top of it, we can have JS image upload info, like that, okay? And then this will be a div. So let's change this from button to div. And let's make it empty. And what do we do here? So it starts out with a hide, just like this one. Okay, so that's great. Yeah, so I'm just going to copy this and put it here as well on the other side. Change the image to video like this. So this is the div that will give us some information on what's going on. Let's see, what can I change? Oh, I've made it as a button, so let me remove this, everything except the hide. So oopsie daisy, boom. Let's do the same thing here. Info, let's not give it a button class, boom. Okay, so this part is what I want the information to have. So I'm going to go back to courses here. So at this point, I have a file here. So I want to know I want it to display the file name. So we only need to do that here when we are beginning the upload. So I'll copy the JS image info, copy that, come back here and put it here. And wait, let's remove the hide because it's already hiding as it is. So remove, and let's copy this again. At the end we hide it, we don't need it no more. Let's add the hide, and then at the same time, while we remove the hide, before we do that, let me just duplicate one more time. I'm lazy to set these to variables, but it would be better to set them to variables instead of reading from them every time. But we want to change its inner HTML to file.name, so that at least we know the file name we're uploading. So let's see that in action. I'm going to refresh and let's browse and let's find that movie again and click. And as you can see now, yes, it's uploading. Yeah, great. And then when this is done, things are back to normal. Let's try another file. Let's try that. And there we go. Okay, it didn't seem to work as well. Oh, okay, there we go, it did work after all. Okay, cool, so things are working as intended, but now we need to be able to actually cancel this whole process if we need to. So what I'll do is where is this? And we should be able to tell the user that we cancelled the upload. That way they know, just in case they clicked the button by mistake. Okay, so what to do here? We need to be able to listen to the cancel event. So, but before we do that, let's create the cancel event. Now, in order to cancel, there's a function in here in Ajax, and that's, what is it called? Is it cancel? No, it's called abort. So it's ajax.abort. So once you do that, then you have aborted the running of the function. So I can show you how this would work if let's see, e.abort, would that work? Yeah, the thing is, it comes from ajax.abort. So we need to be able to have access to this Ajax variable. Now, keep in mind that this Ajax variable is only exists inside this function. outside this function, this is unknown. Okay, so which means if we have an external function that's trying to cancel this Ajax upload, it won't be able to, because this life cycle of this Ajax variable is only in this function. So to fix this problem, we have to create a variable from the outside that's global, that we can manipulate over time. So I'm just going to say var Ajax image is equal to, okay, so Ajax image. Now you can name this to suit whatever you want, so that at least it's easy to remember what this is for. So maybe let's say Ajax course image, yeah, like that. So this is equal to just an empty value. Let's set it to null. As long as we declare it outside here, then we are good. But let's use it in replacement for the Ajax that's here. So I'm going to select every instance of Ajax, starting from there, doop doop doop, and boop, and boop boop, and replace. Okay, great. Yeah, except here. So here I'm just going to paste and remove the var because it's already declared, so we don't need to declare it again. If we do put that var, then we are replacing, we are not talking about this one anymore. So I just want to know that I haven't broken anything with this, so I'm going to refresh and browse, and let's try this again. Let's see that everything works as intended. Okay. And so it seems everything works as intended. Now that we have a global variable here, we can do something like ajax.cancel. So what I'll do is create a function here. So this function is going to be called Ajax, let me just use the same thing, Ajax course image cancel. Yeah, go right ahead and be more creative with these names. Then here all I need to do is just say that dot abort. So let's see if that works when we click the cancel button. So I'm going to copy this function and run it when the button is active. So this button on click of this cancel button, so we'll say on click. Let's paste that function. Fingers crossed that this will work. So let's try this again, and oopsie daisy. And let's do that. Let's try cancel. An error occurred. Oh, what happened? What happened? Interesting. Okay, so let's go back and see what's going on. So we aborted that, and then it says an error occurred because it wasn't 200. So an error did occur. Did it though? Okay, we should check what to write here instead. So what I wanted to do was, but why did it refresh? That is what I do not understand. It refreshed the page, but why? I don't see any page refreshes here at all. Okay, let's just repeat that again. I just want to be sure what I've just witnessed. So let's see that. Cancel. Okay, an error occurred, so we get that. And then what happens? It doesn't. Oh boy. Okay. There's something weird going on here. So let me look for every reload. Okay, wait a minute. Let me try and put this on the upload and see if that will work before I start looking for errors. So browse again. Right there. So it happened again. Okay, interesting phenomenon. Let me look for anywhere where I've done a refresh. So it doesn't look like I have done it here. Let me try here. Nope. Reload. Window.location. Let me remove the search for regular expressions. Okay, so nothing there, nothing here. So why is it refreshing? I have no idea. Okay, let me investigate what is going on here. But what I want to try is this. Let me not even use this cancel. I want it to auto cancel when it gets to a certain point. So we can do this by going to the this one, event listener on the progress. All I need to do is find a percent that I like. So I'm going to say if percent is greater than 20, then let's abort this. So I'm going to say Ajax course image dot abort. Okay, let's see how well that works. So refresh and let's browse. Let's do that and let's load. Okay, get to 20%, an error occurred, that's fine. But then, okay, so that did not refresh the page. Interesting, isn't it? Okay, so this is an internal error problem. Ajax.abort. Okay, so I think the alert is the problem. So what I'll do is let me cancel this. Let me remove the upload from here. It's just abort. And let me also remove this, an error occurred. I'll just do a console.log instead, console.log, so that that does not interfere with anything. And then let's refresh. Let me browse that. Let's try this again one more time and open. And let's cancel now. Boom. It did refresh still. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so let me try and fix this error, then I'll be right back.